In this video, we will learn how to install DeepSeek on Windows 11. For that, let us go to the web browser. On Google, type Olama. Press enter. Here is the official website. Click on it. Now here it is. Click download. You can select the OS. We are downloading for Windows. So click download for Windows. The download started now. Let's wait. We have downloaded the exe file. Right click and click open to begin the installation. Minimize. Click install. Now it will install. Let's wait. We have successfully installed. Now go to start. Type cmd. Click open to open the command prompt. Now type Olama. If the following is visible, that means we successfully installed it. Okay, so now let us see the command to install DeepSeek on your system. Go on the same page. Here type DeepSeek and here it is. Click on it. Now when you will go below, here the command is visible. But this is for 671 billion parameters, which you won't be able to install on your system. You can go for any one of these. Let's say if you're not sure about your system or if you're confused, directly go for the 1.5 billion. This is a sub-billion parameter model. Copy the command. Right click and paste here. Here you can see Olama space run. So this is the command. Okay, here is the command to run a model, Olama space run. Okay. Now I'll press enter and it will install. Here you can see 1.5 billion parameter is 1.1 GB. So let it get installed. So guys, we have installed it. Okay. Now it is on your system. You can ask, hi, how are you to begin with? Press enter. Here it is giving an answer and you can see the thing here. So this is something different about this model. You can now ask any reasoning question. So this is how you can install DeepSeek on Windows 11. If you want a free Olama tutorial, refer the link in the description of the video. So it is an Olama course for beginners. Thank you for watching.